This is Biba Olivia Aquava. Ahadie the Jason Hot News and Aramedi Bramo Anuti Sawian subscriber Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel. Yobean say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We answer new video be upload. Also once a can be. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer so now when you be here now and summer air so ewo Ghana memo hano afi ye share again and summer about beto ye so yeti yes ansem ye report ya about to yeti ye come we are eposo yeti
leader of government business na fi okwa minority na minority for be majority. Then Dr. Atto Esen Abeye automatic
if you have
leader of government business
if you have
in this country.
Better leadership, if you have better leadership that can manage this economy
of NPP constitution. Ebiana Murefi. Matwemo adwena yesiso. Monko kan. Was it the party automatically share 2000. Second deputy speaker Honorable Siama. Omukoko born Wagadre. Emma the Lusu primaries. And also wako independent.
In terms no mu unify.
Ofale ya na later do parliament. Ya pamuno. Ana ye pamuno free parliament ya. That time no more overwhelming majority in parliament.
I was there.
So on the
so 2020 na Owusu. Oh, Kafra.
Yes. And because they know say some of we omuchro MPPs in minority in parliament. Etu omo say omo wait constitution. Hey, me say by jabo ase wa mabunjia. How can you do that? Now Afenyo Markins Agina was say onu ko Supreme Court. Akwa inject speaker on this. No the America akwa look, it's bogus.
But say ya me no ka say ni there. Magistrate court wo Ghana. It means stop it obisa won't mean contest as independent parliamentary candidate. Really?
Oh dear bro.
Gyamfi don't tonche. Sama me no your friend no Morrison our central region. Why minister ewo women gender and social protection da mame beef up your security me manu esro sediete madam minimu wunimme beef security obi a won hyeda nginin di pa e mane mba we na circle if you say ya me no ka say echo the agenda against you no enye papa ade on person mo ye Duncan Williams the same thing on person mo dey yo me meka enti eno hwo so yi ko se say ade no wa atoko do ayeden na abo bi aso bewu a opere abo bi bewu asase so a opere enti Ante Morrison hwo so yi ibiem na wo contest a omunim say omogoro ho pe wanti amfemu a obedwom mo bi fofrate afa ho omunim nenu ti mesrew hwe wo ho so yie afei den pa na MPP suro nche wo ko Supreme Court se mo bia invoke wo ankasa mo standing orders we a member of parliament ewo NDC. Now, would Jaisa Obeko independent? Your seat must be declared vacant.
Exactly.
That's the law. Afenyo Markins, you are a lawyer. And he say, I'm an okay say. Honorable Kwaku Annan,
You are watching Juicy
NDC member of parliament.
Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy
News on
YouTube.
East.
Hot news all time.
Or say, or quite independent. That seat must be declared vacant. Morrison, or quite independent. So that seat must be declared vacant. NPP, MPC, miensa, and almost say party no. I say, Tomoko independent. I'm on party to be. There's a declare seat in a vacant. Yeah, train. And NDC so the back. Until 4 seats our parliament, it must be declared vacant. And when I say no ko kuro no beba no. The man that mafias are now looking for, after they found me and they couldn't do anything to me, they are looking for you. They are looking for him.
Once and make it a NPP constitution. Before we start, we share Article 39. Muntian you. Na yakasa MPP enyatum omunye party esa amanfonyo edwane omontiase
MPP
me amiti hey me yesa me sympathize with Asante Kyeremanteng say Asante Kyeremanteng ko independent me sympathize with him no ya pabum free party no nti near constitution nka Article 39 of MPP national constitution endekitami endekitami. Now, what say? Heading here for feature of membership. A member of the party who stands as an independent candidate against the officially elected member of the party, or who joins or declares his or her support for another political party or for an independent candidate, when the party has sponsored a candidate in the general or by-elections, automatically forfeit his or her membership of the party. Automatically. Captain, as we are making a serious issue, they say MPP for more selective justice na moyeno Yakupo betria mokabruta. Look, Mema declare support say me support to obi a woko independent. Ani ayi ya trolete apamum every party no. Now, obi no ko independent amakoko support no. Me say me party no, but I sympathize with this person. Ya pamum you. Now, obi sorry. That time no more parliament okrano. Not party and sponsor candidate.
Mamanya correction way. Pachaka wo Amenfi Central, Amenfi East.
Yeah.
Madam I say, me say Akufo sending me messages. Thanks so much for the correction. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Good. That party and sponsor candidate here. But constitution is say when the party sponsor a candidate, now we quote yana, we forfeit membership. Now, today, Nipa no support to candidate be a woko independent. Ono ankasa stand say independent. Ono ankasa stand independent o. Ya guys, MPP General Secretary, Ogrom Hanas what to buy.
Why?
MPP General Secretary.
MPP General Secretary. Awa.
Hey, nake for no Ogrom ha. MPP neck. Make him argument so. Article 39 of MPP Constitution. Ebiana Murefi. Make him argument so. Munko kai. Was it the party automatically? Share 2000. Second deputy speaker. Honorable Siama. Wamuko ko born wagadre. Emma Lusu primaries. And also wako independent.
Ntam no mu yi ni fi
o fale ya na later group parliament ya pamuno ana ye pamuno free parliament ya that time no mu overwhelming majority in parliament.
I was there.
eti no mo fa ho so wo de tie no
so 2020 na Owusu oh kafra
ene because they know say some of we omo MPPs in minority in parliament eti omo aye say omo wey constitution hey me say my job was about Mabudia. How can you do that? Now Afenyo Markins Agyina ho say or no court or Supreme Court Akufo inject speaker on this no the America Akufo look it's bogus. And right now I was my proceedings in NPP. I was expecting the minority leader to get NPP constitution and put this provision.
They began the constitution akra wom.
Get the constitution wom, but say no more yes say obi etro by. Na say no obi am petition speaker here. Etina ke say okotu sa article we. Wo ya enye tro na ebetro aba no. Mu constitution ni say automatically nipa ni party ni biem. Eti mo join there.
You see
someone mo dem bagu ase o. Selective justice na moye no what you go say leader of government business na fi okwa minority na minority for be majority then Dr. Atto abeye automatic
if you have
leader of government business
if you have
in this country
if you have better leadership that can manage this economy that can manage this country adaya wotna sisa ama members of parliament are independent it means your leadership style has questions
but so whom guy no we are today's day down sit in wafa independent guy the current MP obuafo wafa o de message tro ne dey do
obeko
wafa sit no simple
you see I na de bia ye ka I nkrofo fi say sika nko na ye dey politics
exactly
it's not true share attraction wo ho is much more important than money.
Yeah.
Now 2016 one year juma bia.
Campaign at Owusu. Say say na nipa mo ka kire me say me ba mu a.
Okonom kalipo keke. Now 2016 okonom kalipo keke. Kalipo pe. Calipo said they made 3 million Ghana cedis in just one day.
Yeah.
Today Calipo is dying.
Atosu
Calipo, Nanano bought 80 pesos. Today is 5 cedis, 50 pesos. Tantra Hills at on 7 cedis. Calipo is dying. So what happened in the say? They started elections now. Analysis here. Look, Office of the Chief of Staff. They thought that Sika eye bibia. Eti protozoa benye Sika edi akọ. Akuram to J fridge TV J 5,000 6,000 10,000 40,000 from document bra Gyamfi kwabruchire yenye say they thought say eno na winning elections and a proposal come win primaries no so this can never we na yami ase then the ref say constituency no enye MPP delegates they decided. Eti we elections now. MP council be called independent in the pair. No more status almost 3 MP no. MP no or ye near maybe. And who so co independent are oben winning. And no koi. No ye no hoboko fee party. Now, current to whom MPP executives no e watch a 3. One now more than party the current MP no echi. And as I say, won't mean call elections in new executives. Joe Pamo now appointed acting.
Yeah.
And I hope Pamo so a begu more and a half and so the proposal and a half na kano omo dem finfin. Omo no so omo hwe.
Baby ebeko.
Omo say omo hwe. Ahemfa wo su hum ne important wo nyina no epe MP no.
Yeah.
Youth na wo area money na no pe MP no. Maamefo a ono aboa won fibro obedi MP ansa wo benya chief of staff office kwohye a wonya sika woof tina wo che no ma me fo no wo gi de sika na no ma sa MP no ma friend no ma ka che no
Watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Wa bra me taz you no ma ti say yes say wo sika so campaign so memra wo bia na Tio, and we were foreign proposal sika. No, my friend, MP na catch and say, Abante that brain sika. Yemlo biana.
I said, okay, say, who the assembly?
What the assembly say?
A proposal about so many sika no bio.
Very share or
It's about to sweat.
Sika no run fire.
Wawa or this sika ni ma woman. Woman this sika finance MPD campaign.
That's right.
So when I said somebody is coming from party office, so I am challenging that they should come out and tell me I'm lying. By the time I'm coming to one buy, and this is gonna half in your
way. Yeah, can't some of Bruno Babo. What? I did the
2016. That be what parliament. That don't mama nesiso. He was contesting as a sitting president. Then
Owusu.
Poto na ejuma ban ene MPP ana nenado omuye
Owusu poto
na say ye poto na we no be ye poto to the second power me na me catch you
signal poto savana say ya omu hwe say na no mu one seat no mu beji 3 seats aka ho na me die ne ka ho se si ai omu nim say sa savana seats no ana savana region no MPP lead Captain, mpese wo de bosso 7/7 a ye ka say ye be win 7-6 ni nyina wo savana me dey ma win ni sita wie but I'm not going to be complacent then
savana seat no
TV3 mu sister station omo ba ye constituency center say omo ba ye constituency manifesto then people ran away Adanya constituency watch no I mean manifesto there be kan kire ya ade a wo ye ansa na wo be kan kire ya ade a wo ba be ye.
That's right.
Yes sir.
Omo ne ye fine
na de omo ye no na ade a omo nim se omo ba be ye no omo ba ye at the point ye be start program na meti ho omo youth aba be ka say sa program emba so we thought that it was not an NDC program, it was a TV3 program. And so we don't want to force ourselves in. And a bedroom point to be no more say omu gadgets. And so when the lady had a TikTok something and said the youth of the community, I sent a word that it was not the youth of the community, it was the NPP youth. Will you believe that that evening the sitting MP met them to appreciate what they did?
Wow.
And I told people, look, this program that they want to do is not for either parties. It is to sell the constituency out to stakeholders, to know that we have issues. Whether it is NDC or NPP, the leadership of these parties must know what is happening in the constituency, so that in the likely event that you are in government, you know what you will address. Almost say no. The constituency must not be sold. And I sit here and I say we have taken the seat already because the people in that constituency know what I did to ensure that we had a constituency. I was a DC chief executive. I brought stakeholders together to write a petition to the electoral commission for the creation of the constituency. And so if you give birth to something, somebody from nowhere play on the ticket of lies, play on the ticket of peanuts, lure the people to vote for them. You understand? And you see such people look at it and destroy what you have created.
2020 or the COVID money number 2.
I say sana meka na munya na mo. No munya omu. Today omu ya de bi meka on air.
Hey.
Will you believe that they have gone to register women who have not stepped foot in a classroom Go and enroll them on national service. So that they will be taking national service allowances for the next 2 months. Senya December, on back at you say one to about NPP and NP Noa. Sikano Mabio.
They've done what?
They've enrolled people who have not stepped foot in any classroom. Because we know national service, you would have to be educated. I mean, you have to go through education. Sponsored by government.
Chief.
Not even just education.
Alaji.
Remember with evidence.
There be patriotic. Show we want. It's the biggest morning show in Ghana. Okay.
I wouldn't have been here. Because me say me tree here.
What do you tell?
Na me say you wear hot. Me man won't be saying questions. Come in, ma. But I know what I mean.
It is the biggest morning show in Ghana.
They can invite me anywhere.
Smart.
Fortunately for us, Jubilee House to share and chain. Yeah. Now, to sit on this show and say that was Sisala North. Salaga North. Sorry, Salaga North. Ya pen Crawford Munko school da. Edo to national service.
So why I have evidence is that Omudru Damango na Damango for who said they want to do something that is not right. They nearly bent the people in the car, including the car. But the PC for Damango said no, these people are from Salaga North, and they have claimed that they are NDC people. So if you do that, you would have been losing our votes.
Wow.
So go back and never come again. But I'm saying that even before that incident, I'm told almost 100 people have been enrolled already from my constituency. So I'm still doing the investigation. But I think that this must not sleep. People must investigate national service. And it is not happening only in Salaga North. It is happening all over the north. Savulugu is safe. People come from Myong, they'll go and pass people from Myong to other constituencies. So it must be investigated. I am just alleging. But I have evidence that I will send to you. You can call those numbers and find out from those ladies. There is a video that I sent one of my boys to go and sit with them. And if you hear what the women were saying, you sympathize with them. Because those who even took them there had to run away. So meanwhile, NPP there, and I am saying that they still have that belief that idea of muchiche bear cloth, any magi, any idea the omuchiche no, ebe bomu. I am telling you on authority, this time around it won't work.
Omuche magi.
And special prosecutor's office must take this notice of this.
Savannah Regional National Service. Go there. Salaga Northeast Gonja National Service. Go there. There are living testimonies.
Wow.
So for us, for me, I think that what we have done in the region and what we will continue to do in the Savannah region, 7/7 is secured. And people think that Damango is very tough. Look, when you pull people up to a point, they will not tell you anything. But on the D-Day, they will show you their best colors. And the Savannah region have now realized that John Mahama is their own. When they have realized that it is better to eat spoiled fufu in your house than to go and eat tunzavi with a crantier in somebody's house. I am not playing ethnic politics.
No, this is not ethnic. I mean,
but I'm saying that you don't insult somebody because he has given you power. And that is what NPP is doing to Savannah region. And that is what NPP is doing to our traditional authorities in our region. Have you heard a story? Just recently. that our paramount chief have to I don't want to go there so much, had to leave when somebody was still speaking. What happened? They want to undermine our traditional authorities. And it is all over, from the districts to the region. We are coming to reset the region. We are coming to reset Ghana. And when I call Savannah region, somebody will see somewhere and say that Savannah region, say, my brother, we had 6 members of parliament who were NDC. We had only 1 member of parliament, Salga Saf, who was NPP. If the NDC has stood on their ground saying that we didn't want Savannah region, let's go and campaign no, there was nothing that would have been called Savannah region as we speak. And I am telling you, and I want anybody to challenge me, the person who contributed money to support the campaign of yes to create the Savannah region more than His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the person should come out. Because it's not about monetary, but he spoke to us. This is something that I have penciled to do. It's because I didn't get the opportunity in 2016. Support it, because there might not be another chance, another opportunity. Who knows? Who knows? The NDC would have given him another opportunity to lead. So I am saying that people who sit and scratch their backs and laugh, and that they are going to take Savannah region, and not even Savannah region, the entire North is united today. When I say the entire North, the Upper West, Upper East, Northern region, even my brother, Reverend Thomas hometown,
Timothy.
Timothy. Mommy, I'm giving him
Reverend Timothy.
Timothy what?
You don't know Reverend Timothy? Hey, Captain.
And you are in this country.
What do Reverend Timothy?
Somebody who is a Christian in the morning, in the evening he's a Muslim, and deep in the night he's a traditionalist.
Somebody who is morning
is a Christian.
in
the evening he will use the Christian.
No, in the afternoon a Muslim. Then in the evening tradition.
Morning Christian, evening Muslim.
Then in the night he's a traditionalist.
And what's his name? Reverend Timothy.
Reverend Timothy. But this is a promoting that confusion.
Oh, they're making fun of Bawumia.
Even in his own backyard, things will happen. Because if you are a leader of a political party, and the things that happen in Walwale and some other areas, you can't resolve them, you should know that something is happening somewhere. But I just want to say that Ghana, we should be serious once again.
No waiting for winning a year and summer about the toy so because so and our no say we can subscribe Bawumia subscribe to the channel Sansa Hadia latest and hot news in Kwan and I'm the Bremo. I feel we are now like give us a thumbs up nothing share one of us now when you be here now and someone also will gather Mahamadu. What's with me at share what Gyamfi here some we now will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.